Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about production part 2. Children, if you remember, in the previous video we had talked about production, that is introduction to the production department in the business organization. Today in this video we are going to talk about functions of production department. Children, let us talk about the functions of production department. Children, the scope of production management is very wide. It covers a wide range of activities, from the location of plant to the packaging of products. All is part of the functions of production department. Now let us talk about the functions in detail. The first function of the production department is design of the product. The product, children, to be produced by the firm is decided by its top management. Once the product is decided, the production department prepares its design. Product design, children, consists of form and function. The form design, children, is concerned with shape, size, appearance or the product. Whereas, children, when we talk about functional design, it involves working condition of the product. Now let us talk about the next function of production department. Design of production system. Production system, children, is the framework within which inputs are converted into outputs. Design of the production system involves choices of appropriate production system. Children, which involves three types of production systems, that is job production, process production and intermittent production. Now let us talk about the third function of production department. Production planning and control. It involves the determination and regulation of production processes. Children, once the product and the production system are designed and developed, the production department starts production planning. Now, what do we mean by production planning? Children, production planning is basically concerned with planning of production activities before the actual operations begin. That is, it involves material, machinery, manpower, etc. and establishing the exact sequence of operations for each requirement. Now children, production planning is further followed by production control. What do we mean by production control? Children, production control is a function of comparing actual production with the predetermined standards and taking necessary corrective actions. This involves control of inventories, control of the flow of raw material, control of work in progress, control of quality, control of cost of production. Now let us talk about the next function, that is selection of location. Children, the choice of the place where factory or plant is to be located plays a very major role, because it is important to know the selection of location, which is further influenced on the cost of production. Plant should be located, that is, factory should be located at such a place where production and distribution cost are the minimum. The locational decision is further influenced by number of cost, that is, cost of land and building, transportation cost, labor cost, cost of fuel and power, etc. Now, let us discuss the fifth function, that is plant building. Planning of factory building, children, is very important, and it is an important problem of production management. Well-planned building, children, helps to ensure economic and efficient production. The plant building should be designed to fit in the requirements and capacity of the plant. The choice of plant building, children, depends upon number 1, the type of equipments, working conditions required, scale of operations, whether it is large scale or small scale, plant location, plant layout, and so on. Now, let us discuss some more functions of production department. Children, the next function is layout of plant. Plant layout, children, refers to arrangement of machines and facilities in the factory. The layout of plant, children, should be such that to maximize economy and efficiency of operations in the plant. The next function, children, is selection of plant and equipment. Design, development and installation of tools and equipments, children, is very important function of production management. The choice of plant and equipment, children, depends on certain factors. Now let us know what are these factors. Scale and quality of output desired, the cost and life of machine, technological feasibility of machines. All these factors make the selection of plant and equipment. Research and development. Children, in this function, the production department is basically continuing arrangement of research and development and requires to make improvement in product, processes and equipment. When we talk about, children, research, we mean scientific investigation and analysis in order to acquire new knowledge. Applied research, children, is undertaken to involve proper solution to practical problems and collection and processing of relevant information. Now let us talk about the next function, manufacturing. Manufacturing, children, refers to actual processing of materials and component parts so as to convert them into finished products. Let us take an example to explain manufacturing. For example, a cotton textile factory consists of ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, bleaching, etc. Now let us, children, discuss the last function but not the least, that is quality control. Production department, children, is responsible for ensuring proper quality of goods manufactured in the factory. What do we mean by the same? That is, right quality is very essential, very important for satisfying the customers and making good sales. For this, children, inspection, control, acceptance sampling, etc. are done in factories and plant. Along with it, children, ISO certification, TQM, that is Total Quality Management systems, are also employed in plant and to ensure quality control. Now children, let us talk as to what lessons we have learned from this video today. We have learned the different functions of production department, that is design of the product, production planning and control, selection of plant and equipment, research and development, manufacturing and so on. Stay home children, stay safe. Please follow all the instructions for preventing this deadly virus. Thank you children. Hope you enjoyed the video.